Good morning students and welcome to your reasoning class. Dear students, in your previous class I have taught you about chapter 5 ranking test. So students, today we will continue with the same chapter 5 ranking test. So let us start with question number 12. Question number 12 given in page number 35. Archer arranged her photo frames in a straight row. The prettiest one is in the middle. The prettiest one is in the middle. It is placed third from the left side, third from the right and left side. How many photo frames does Archer have together? So, Archer is a girl and she has some photo frames. She has placed the prettiest photo frame in the middle. And what is the position of the frame? Third position from both the sides, whether it is from left or from right. So, it means that it is third from both the sides, left or right. It means this photo frame has two more photo frames in the left side and two more photo frames in the right side. So this is first, second and third from left. And if you will count it from right side, first, second and third. So the question is asking about the total number of photo frames. So let us count how many photo frames you can see here on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So your answer will be B. Option B 5. Your answer will be option B 5 for question number 12. Let us see question number 13. Observe the given alphabets carefully and answer the question based on it. Here on the board you can see that all the alphabets are written on the board, just like in the book, A to Z. So we all know, children, that there are 26 alphabets. And 5 of them are vowels. 5 of them are vowels and 21 consonants. So what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are 5 vowels. So the question number 13 is saying that if all the vowels are removed from above alphabetical series, then dash comes just before P. So the question is saying that we have to remove all the vowels. So just remove A, E, I, O and U. Then which alphabet will come just before P? So before P, O is removed. So N will come just before P. So your answer will be option A, N. For question number 30. For question number 30, your answer will be option A, N. Now let us talk about question number 14. Which alphabet is second to the left of the 13th alphabet from the left end? Here you can see that left and right is not mentioned in the book. So we will take it as assume that this will be your left side and this will be your right side by default. So which alphabet is second to the left of the 13th alphabet? Which alphabet is left? 13th alphabet is M. So second to the left side of M. So left side is M here. L is first and K Option A, K. Alphabet K is second to the 13th alphabet of this series. So, your answer will be option A. Children, question number 15 is really very important question. So, let's read. Pallavi is taller than Sneha but shorter than Parul. Sakshi is the shortest. Sakshi is the shortest. It is confirmed that Sakshi is the shortest. So, here we will write Sakshi. Sakshi is the shortest. Pallavi is taller than Sneha. Pallavi is taller than Sneha. If we will put Sneha here, then Pallavi is taller than Sneha. It means Pallavi will come at the top. Pallavi is taller than Sneha but shorter than Parul. Pallavi is taller than Sneha but shorter than whom? Parul. So Parul will come here. So Sakshi is the shortest. Who among the following is the tallest? Then who among the following is tallest? Parul. So in which option you are getting Parul? In option C. So your answer will be option C, Parul, for question number 15. The correct answer is option C, Parul. Question number 16 is similar to question number 30. So children, you will do it by yourself. Let us see question number 17. Find the number of fruits to the right of the fruits called as king of fruits. Here you can see that which fruit there are. There is a series of in the row. You can see that there are some fruits and vegetables given in this row. Which fruit is called as the king of fruits, children? Mango. So the question is asking, find the number of fruits to the right of the fruit called as king of fruits. Right. Here left side is already mentioned. So you have to choose the fruit which is right from the king of fruits. So right is here. Here you can see brinjal. Brinjal is a vegetable. Then potato. Potato is also a vegetable. But orange. Orange is a fruit. So there is only one fruit right to the king of fruits. So your option will be option C, 1 for question number 17. Children, let's see question number 18. 4 friends took part in a race. There are 4 friends. Their names are Minnie, Siddharth, Mohit and Sanchi. Minnie, I was faster than Siddharth. Siddharth, I was neither at the second place nor at the last place. So, Siddharth is neither at the second place. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, you have to place them. They took part in a race. I was first. Mohit is saying I was first. So, Mohit is first. I was first. I was slower than Siddharth. Sanchi is saying I was slower than Siddharth. But here you can see that I was neither at second place nor at last place. Siddharth is saying that he is neither at second place nor at last place. So it means that Siddharth will come at the third place. Siddharth. Mohit is at the first place and Siddharth is neither at second place nor at fourth place. It means that Siddharth is at third place. I was slower than Siddharth. Sanchi is saying that I was slower than Siddharth. It means that slower means it will come after Sanchi will come after Siddharth. Then who will come at second place? The question is asking who stood second in the race. So who is second? Mini. Mini is left only. So your answer will be Mini. Mohit is first. Siddharth is not in the second place and neither at the second place, not at the last place. Sanchi is slower than Siddharth. So who comes at the second place? Mini. Your answer will be Mini. Given in option A for question number 18. Is it clear, children? Now, children, let us see question number 20. If two balls P and Q are removed from the given series, here you can see that there are 10 balls on the board. Their name are P, W, R, S, T, U, P, Q, X and Y. The question is saying that if two balls P and Q are removed from the given series, if P and Q are removed from the given series and placed at the right end, then which ball will be fourth from the right end? So here you can see that there is the left side and the right side is not mentioned in the question. So what will we suppose? We will suppose this side as left and this side as right by default. We will take it as our left and our right. Now the question is saying that P and Q will be removed from the series and placed to the right end. So we are removing P and Q from here and we are keeping this P and Q ball this side. Then which ball is right fourth from the right side? Fourth from the right side. It means this one is first, second, third and fourth. So ball X will be fourth from the right side. So which will be your answer? Your answer will be option A. Option A, that is X is the correct answer for question number 20. So children, you will do question number 21 by your own. Let us see question number 22. Here in the book you can see that if minions X and T are removed, then minion dash is fifth to the left of minion Q. Here the side is mentioned. Left side, we will suppose that left side is here. So X and T will be removed. Here X and T. T is here, minion T and minion X will here. So when we will remove minion T and minion X, which will come to the fifth? Which minion will come to the fifth? Fifth to the left of minion Q. Minion Q left it means here. Q is here. So left 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 M. So minion M will come. Minion M will come to fifth to the left of minion Q. So this will be your answer for question number 22. Okay children, now let's see question number 23. If figure S and W are removed, which figure is fifth from the right end? Again children, you can see in question number 23, left or right side is not mentioned. The sides are not mentioned. So by default we will take R left or R right. So S and W are removed. S, this lamp will be removed. W means sun will be removed. Which figure is fifth from the right end? Our right is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So T, the laptop. Laptop is the fifth figure from the right end. That is option A, T. T is the correct answer for question number 23. So children, you will do the rest question in your copy and we will meet again in the next video. I hope that you will watch this video and like it too. Thank you.